NFTs that are non-fungible tokens are everywhere on the internet right now, and everyone loves them. Creators, investors have created fortunes that have profoundly altered their lives. Everyone is now rushing to get their feet wet and surf this surge. Don't panic. If you've been watching from afar and are unsure where to begin, the boat hasn't sailed very far yet. Here are a few methods to make money with NFTs. But first, subscribe to our channel, Money World, and click the bell button before we expose these strategies of earning from NFTs. Let's get this money-making trip started. Creation and selling NFTs. Do you love creation? Ever tried hand-on creation? Do you want to commercialize some of your creations? Boost your earnings by selling your creations as NFTs? As NFTs, you may develop and sell anything digital. Original digital art, music, memes, films, audio samples, and much more are available. Go ahead and do it. Your only limitation is your creativity. Money Plus knows that the question of how to create an NFT has already started perplexing you. Creating an NFT corresponds to the procedure of selling your NFTs for the first time. This is how it is done step by step. Choose your preferred marketplace and set up an account. Because digital NFT art is traded on blockchains, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. Locate the selling dashboard within a digital marketplace. Click on Sell New NFT and then submit your digital artwork. You will be prompted to pay the charge in digital currency at this point. You have now finished the process of creating your NFT. Trading NFT. You may earn from NFTs by purchasing them and selling them at a profit. Not all NFTs are the same. Some are worth millions of dollars, while others are almost worth less. As a collector, you must examine an item critically for the possibility of profiting from a future resale. A question may pop up in your mind that NFTs are traded. NFTs can be bought and traded on certain exchanges. Any investor, much like e-commerce, may explore the marketplace, identify digital material, such as a digital piece of art, and buy it. However, unlike traditional marketplaces, the transaction is made using crypto coins rather than dollars or euros. However, as you may be aware, there is more than one crypto coin around the globe. So how do you pay for your NFTs? This is dependent on the marketplace you are utilizing. If the marketplace is built on the Ethereum blockchain, for example, you'll pay using the Ether token. If the marketplace is powered by the crypto.org blockchain, you'll be able to pay with CRO coins. Gaming NFT. We will live in exciting times where you may make money by playing in blockchain-based games. You may buy and exchange in-game things as NFTs. They're already highly prized items in the market. NFT-based video games are well-known means of generating money using NFTs. Some games enable you to buy in-game products as NFTs and exchange them, allowing you to make money. Nonetheless, their numbers are now restricted. With the buzz around NFTs, there is little question that you will witness an increase in the number of games that support NFT trading shortly. Another reason why in-game NFTs will become more popular in the future is that they are significantly more complex than basic digital trading cards, or even more involved NFTs such as virtual pieces of art. NFT staking. What exactly is staking? Staking in cryptocurrency refers to the process of holding digital assets in the form of stake and allocating them to those prepared to maintain their upkeep. In exchange, they offer you a portion of the prize. NFT Sport. Non-fungible tokens provide tremendous potential in all fields, including sports. Unfortunately, no one has reaped their full benefits of them. If used effectively, these digital assets may provide a lucrative revenue stream for sports such as football and tennis. They can also aid in improving fan involvement in their favorite sports. Sport fans are constantly looking for sports memorabilia like badges, t-shirts, and so on. And non-fungible tokens give just that possibility, although in digital form. Non-fungible tokens in sports might include not just t-shirts and badges, but also fans' favorite moments, images, historical footage, and so on. In a nutshell, anything can be turned into a digital asset. Rant Out NFTs. Non-fungible tokens are digital assets that are not replicable. NFTs can be used in a variety of ways, including renting, Renting an NFT entails letting it go for a set of length of time in exchange of money. Royalties. Non-fungible token NFTs are digital assets that are not replicable. NFTs can be used in a variety of ways, including renting. Renting an NFT entails letting go for a length of time in exchange for money. Licensed collectibles. Convert physical items to NFTs, sell them, and you'll be generating money in no time. Yes, you may store tangible collectibles as digital assets on the blockchain and sell them for the same or better price. Sports cards have been the most popular sort of licensed NFTs collectibles thus far. However, businesses are gradually embracing the NFTs bandwagon with their licensed collections to capitalize on it. NBA is one such company, having just launched its NFT card set on the market. Given the current frenzy, now it is the moment to convert your tangible items into NFTs and sell them. NFTs for all to make money. NFTs appealing not just to artists and art collectors, but also investors. Many people, however, are perplexed as to how they might make money using NFT if they are not artists. We'll find out how to achieve that in this part. The basic idea behind generating money with NFT is that you acquire an item at one price and then sell it at a higher one. Earning money with NFT is even more gratifying since you have to previously own an NFT. You will continue to earn money on that NFT for each linked transaction. A crypto investor might buy NFTs rather than crypto money, wait for the price of the NFT to climb, and then sell it. This is how to profit from NFT. The most well-known NFT markets. As you may have seen from this information, marketplace selection is critical for artists, sellers, and shoppers. What are the most well-known crypto NFT marketplace? Number 1, OpenSea. This was the first marketplace for the crypto NFTs, and it has most buyers and sellers because it is based on the Ethereum blockchain. The fees are exceedingly expensive. Gleam.io is a relatively young marketplace that is quickly gaining traction. Magic Eden. Based on the Solana blockchain, this is more suited for newbies because of lesser cost. Binance NFT. Binance is a well-known cryptocurrency platform. It enables you to purchase, sell, and earn interest on cryptocurrency. Binance has joined the field of NFTs with the Binance NFT marketplace. CNFT, a marketplace for digital NFT based on Cardano blockchain. That's all guys for now. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Money Plus so you don't miss out on our upcoming money making videos.